There are moments in life when we feel surrounded by a heavy cloud of negative energy. Worries, stress, and emotions that aren't our own sometimes seep in, leaving the spirit tired. We may feel as though we are carrying the weight of the world on our shoulders, causing our inner energy to stagnate and suffocate. Today, I invite you to join a special meditation journey. This is not just a moment to find peace, but also a powerful method to cleanse your entire internal energy. Let meditation be a tool to help you reconnect with the purest source of love, eliminating all negativity and embracing deep tranquility. Before we begin, imagine a space where you can completely relax, letting go of all tension. In that space, picture a warm light, perhaps pink or gold, slowly surrounding you. This light is not only beautiful, but represents unconditional love, a pure energy that always exists around you. As this light approaches, feel it gently embracing your body. It's like a soft, warm blanket, comforting every cell in your body. Let this light seep into your skin, moving through every corner of your body, from the crown of your head to your toes. As the light passes, you can clearly feel the tension, worries, and all negative emotions gradually fading away, leaving behind a sense of lightness and peace. Now continue to keep your body and mind still, and focus your attention on your heart, the center of love and emotion. The heart is not just where love begins, but also where the purest energy resides. In this moment, imagine the warm light you've just experienced, concentrating in the area of your chest, right at your heart. From there, feel this light growing stronger, brighter. It begins to expand from the heart, like ripples, spreading out from a calm lake, touching every corner of your body. Each heartbeat is like a gentle pulse, sending the loving light outwards, traveling from the center to all parts of your body. As this light expands, you'll feel a shift in every cell. Each cell in your body is illuminated, becoming radiant and pure. This loving light not only brightens, but also brings with it renewal, refreshing the entire internal energy. You might imagine each part of your body, from head to toe, being bathed in this pure energy, brightening and cleansing every hidden space. Now that the light has covered your entire body, take a few moments to immerse yourself in this experience. Feel the the peace, and the loving energy flowing through every breath. Not only are you surrounded by loving energy, but you also become a part of it, deeply connected to this infinite source of energy. This is harmony with yourself, with the love within you, and with the vast universe. Now that your body is full of loving light, imagine that this light not only brings warmth and love, but also has a powerful purifying effect. Picture the light within your body as a pure magnet with a magical pull, drawing out all negative energy and trapped emotions from each of your cells. The heavy emotions, the anxieties, and the stress you may have accumulated over time are now being drawn out by this light. You can imagine them as dark smoke or small shadows being pulled out by the light from your heart. These negative energies, which once occupied space and weighed down your spirit, now gradually dissolve as they touch the loving light. Feel the lightness spreading throughout your body as these burdens slowly leave you. Every time a negative energy is removed, you'll feel a fresh, lighter breeze passing through. This lightness is like a gentle wind, blowing away all lingering fatigue and worry. After the negative energy has completely dissolved in the light, feel the loving light continuing to fill your body. There is no empty space left inside you that is not filled with this energy. The loving light continues to nourish, renew, and strengthen you from within, revitalizing every cell, every breath. A sense of vitality and confidence is gradually returning, bringing you peace and strength, as if you've been reborn from the inside, ready to face any challenge with love and serenity. Now bring your full attention back to the rhythm of your heartbeat. Each beat is not just a familiar sound, but a synchronization with the frequency of love, a deep connection with the loving energy radiating from your heart to the entire universe. Feel this steady heartbeat and let it become a marker, guiding you back to the frequency of love. Gently repeat in your mind the affirmations. I am love, and I vibrate at the frequency of love. With each repetition, feel the loving energy within you, becoming stronger, radiating outward. These mantras not only help reinforce your connection to the frequency of love, but also help you realize that you are a part of this energy. As your heartbeat synchronizes with the frequency of love, imagine that you are connected to an endless network of love. This energy does not only exist within you, but also radiates throughout the universe, connecting you to all living beings, all people and everything. This sense of belonging and peace brings you a feeling of safety and comfort, as if you are returning to your true home. As you close this meditation, embrace the love and remind yourself that you can share this loving energy in every moment of your daily life.